These legal documents spell out what Merck knew and when they knew it. In clinical trials during the late 90s, the company tested whether their anti-inflammatory drug Vioxx could prevent cognitive decline in patients with Alzheimer's disease. Life-threatening risks were documented but were never reported to the FDA or the public.
The company found a threefold increased risk in mortality and failed to see a safety signal. By scientific standards, this is a major safety issue.
Dr. Bruce Pasady and colleagues at the University of Washington reviewed numerous legal documents from litigation involving Merck and Vioxx. In a published report in 2004, Merck reported that Vioxx is, quote, generally well tolerated by the elderly patients in our study. But this internal company document tells a different story. It reveals Merck knew about an increased risk in mortality associated with Vioxx, and they knew this in 2001.
If these findings had been made public back in 2001, many fewer people would have taken Vioxx, and because it is associated with an increased risk of mortality and of heart attacks, many fewer people would have been harmed.
In 2002, despite knowing the risk, Merck extended one of the clinical trials and even re-enrolled patients. During this time, 8 deaths were associated with the use of Vioxx.
Large clinical trials like these clearly need independent data and safety monitoring committees to protect the patients.
Dr. Pasady's review appears this week in JAMA, Journal of the American Medical Association.
The wisdom of allowing companies to control and analyze the data from their studies really comes under question when we have mortality findings that are concealed in this way.
Pasady says stricter regulations are necessary, not only to avoid selective reporting of results, but to help restore public trust. Jennifer Mitchell, The JAMA Report.